Okay, hi guys, I'm Sankalp. So today I will teach you the sensor blocks without using the weight block. You might have learned that a weight block can be also used as a sensor block to make things easy instead of doing the logical operations. In this, we can simply select compare proximity. So what will happen is it will wait till the infrared senses the threshold value below 50. So this is used to sense mainly objects and perform actions. But in this tutorial, you will learn more about the sensors instead of using the weight block. Okay, so first we will start with the brick button. We will not be doing compare, we will only be doing measure brick buttons. So first we'll know what is the number of the brick button. So first we'll go to compare, open another one, don't join it, then we will click over there and see. So over here we can understand that 0 means nothing, 1 means the left button, 2 means the center button, 3 means the right side button, and 4 means the upper button, and 5 means the down button. So these are all the buttons. So here what will happen is the button which is pressed will be inputted to another logical operator or a device or a block. So here, as we want to display our number which is pressed, so here what will we do? We'll first take this away, take a loop block, keep it in the middle and place this in, and then we'll take a display block and select text pixel and select wired, and then just plug this in over here or coil it. So then what will happen over here is it will input the brick button, and display it over here, and just to make it easy and make it visible for our display, we'll keep a wait block for 1 second. So it will wait here for 1 second, input the number and proceed. So this is the simple basic programming of the brick button. Just to make it a little complex, we can do is this. So first we will remove everything. We will take a text block, which is this. We'll place it over here, and we will put this in the middle and write the button pressed is B, and then we will again take a display block, keep this in the middle, take text pixel wired and coil this in or plug it. So here then we will take a wait block for 1 second. So what will happen is first it will take, so the text we will see is this. So it's not visible for some reason. So what will you see? The value is that the button pressed is 1, 2 or 3, and we have inputted nothing for C, so there will be nothing, and will equal to will equal is the result which is plugged in to T. So the text will be displayed and will wait for 1 second. So this is how we can use the brick button. Another tip. So now we will remove all this, and then we will do the color sensor. The color sensor can be used to measure color, reflected light intensity or ambient light intensity. So the color, we can detect which color is it. So it is one, black or other, etc, etc. So you can also do the same thing that I did with the big buttons, and you can also use it to display the color by using it as a color detector and display it on the screen. So there are other different sensors like motor rotations. In the motor rotation, you can measure the power, measure the degree of the rotation of motor or the rotations of the motor or the current power of the motor by using the motor block. The another one is the infrared sensor. It's the only sensor which has more than 4 functions. So you can use it as a proximity, beacon proximity and remote. And another one which is not over here, which is the beacon heading. So in the proximity we can measure the distance between the object. In beacon we can measure the distance between the beacon, and in remote we can measure the button pressed on the remote which we get. And another one is the timer. In this block we can measure the time by using measure time, and this is the timer ID, the timer number 1, 2 or 3, and this is the elapsed time. And the final one is the touch sensor. It is used to measure its state, whether it is pressed, released or bumped. Pressed meaning that it is pressed, and released meaning that there is no action, and bump meaning that is pressed and released. So this is the touch sensor. Thanks for watching.